Lesson 16, Expressions of time. How do we express time? Past, present and future. Past is yesterday, present is today, future is tomorrow, right? So past is last week, present is this week, future is next week. Past is an hour ago, present is now, future is in an hour. Past is recently, present is as we speak, future is soon. These are all the expressions you should remember. How do we, a long time ago is about expressing past. The present context is these days. The future expression is way off in the future. Okay, these are the way to express past, present and future in regards to the time. Okay, time expressions usually go to at the end. Time expressions usually go at the end or at the beginning of a sentence. Either it's at the end or it's in the beginning. For example, yesterday I went to school. Yesterday is a time expression. Look. Last week, yesterday and hour ago, recently are all past expressions, right? So likewise, I went to school yesterday. Look, yesterday is a time expression that says it happened in the past. This week, I am going to New York or New Delhi. This week, I am going to New Delhi. I am going to New Delhi this week. Isn't good? It's only at the end. This week is present context or future. This is present context. If it's next week, it would be future context. Okay? Either it's in the end or it's in the beginning. Let's see more examples. Other popular time expressions. In the morning. So let us see how we use the expression in the morning. Okay, when I wake up in the morning, I like to drink coffee. When I wake up in the morning, I like to drink coffee. What do you drink in the morning? Is the question form, right? What do you drink in the morning? During the day is another expression. Let's see how we use it. During the day, they go to school. So what is the question form? What do you do during the day? Look, the question expression is either in the beginning. If it is a question, it will be in the end normally. Okay? At night. It's a time expression, right? It talks about at night. The stars and the moon come out at night. The stars and the moon come out at night. Look. Most people sleep at night. But cats usually stay out late. Stay out means will be awake long time. Okay? Sleep at night. In the bedroom is the expression. In the afternoon is the expression. In the afternoon, I come home from school and do my homework. Repeat. In the afternoon, I come home from school and do my homework. Using time expressions with correct verb tense will improve your English. Using time expressions with the correct verb tense will improve your English. Last week I went to the movies is past tense. If you say last week I'm going to the movies, doesn't make sense, right? So last week the past tense is past participle is past tense form of the verb is went, right? I went to the movies. Last week is the past expression. This week I am working early in the morning. Look, working. Okay. Present continuous tense to describe the entire week. So this week is the present continuous form. Working is present continuous. I am working early in the morning. Next week I am going to take a trip to California or Chennai. The going to is the future tense. Because we said next week is a future time expression, we use going to. I am going to take a trip to Chennai. Okay, this is how you use the time expression and the appropriate verbs. Lesson 17. Infinitives. Infinitives look like verbs, but they actually function as a noun. Consider the following sentences. I like pizza. Pizza is a noun, right? I like to eat. To eat is an infinitive. Okay. They look like verbs, but they actually function as a noun. I like to eat pizza. Pizza is the object of the infinitive. To eat is infinitive. Pizza is noun. I like to eat pizza. Object of the infinitive, to eat. Infinitives can be made with just about any verb. To do, to be, to go, to make, to take, to see, to get. Okay, as long as you see the simple form of the verb, infinitives can't be used with past tense or continuous form. It is like to went is not a right word. To going is wrong. Okay, so to do is okay. It's the present form. Okay, likewise, certain other cases like verbs such as need and want often use the infinitive. Need and want. Let's see some examples. What do you want to do today? To do is an infinitive, right? What do you want to do today? I want to go to the park. If you have a want, you will always use an infinitive, okay? To go, to do, all these things. Another example, is there something you need to get at the store? Look, to get is an infinitive. When you get a word need, we use the infinitive to get. Yes, I need to get some milk. Right? To get is an infinitive. Whenever you have a word need, you need to use the infinitive to get. Let's see more examples. I like to listen to the radio. To listen. Infinitives are often used after the verb like. Every time we use a verb like, we use the infinitive to listen. He likes, whenever after the likes you can see, to eat popcorn when he goes to see a movie. Right? To eat. to see or infinitives. To play in the snow is one of life's greatest pleasures. To play. The infinitive appears at the beginning of the sentences. This sounds very formal, right? To play in the snow is one's greatest pleasures. He went downstairs to get some coffee. The infinitive is to get and is often used to explain why someone does something. Why does he go downstairs? To get some coffee. He plays the guitar in order to relax. In order is similar to because, and it introduces an explanation, right? He plays the guitar in order to relax. In order is equivalent to because. Okay, so you should try more of this, okay, so that you can make sense with infinitives. Once again a recap. Infinitives look like verbs, but they actually function as a noun. Okay, that is the idea. Like this, to listen looks like a verb, but it is functioning as a noun here. He likes to eat popcorn when he goes to see a movie. Here, to eat is an infinitive. Okay, so that's it. Practice the lessons. Bye.